Right, Paddy T. So, did a bit of bluesy riffage today. So, just going to play that one for you again. Just give you a couple of ideas of how you can kind of make these. So the riff we did was, and we kind of just held the second fret on the A string there, and just kind of picked a few strings down from it. Okay, and if you want to count it, right, because remember, riffs are all about a solid rhythm, right? Nice regular kind of rhythm. So if you want to kind of count it just to make sure it's really steady, right? Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to count it out loud, but just kind of have that in your head, just to stay with it. Um, so that riff is in 4/4 time, so it's going to happen in fours. So and most of the action, apart from the start, is happening on the three. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. Get a little harder. Drop me plaque there. All right, so so that's one that you can do, and just do it over and over. Just dig in hard. Give it a good slap. Let that sort of, let the string rattle off the fretboard. It's all good. So, what you can do then is we've done the pentatonic scale. So that's a really good one for riffs, right? So if we just take maybe the last three strings of the pentatonic, okay? So that's second fret to open on the fourth, same on the fifth, and then as we know, third on the sixth, okay? So maybe try this one. Okay, let's try again. So what I'm doing there is just second fret, pull off, and with this sort of stuff you can get messy if you want. So if you're doing a pull off and you hit a whole load of other strings on the way over, doesn't matter. That's all fine, So, and I'm dragging this a little bit, right? So I'm not just kind of hitting it and then pulling off. I'm kind of dragging it up a bit, right? So, and you notice how this note lasts twice as long as the first two. So ba-da-bum, bum. And then I'm just hitting maybe two strings, three strings open. Okay? And you don't have to do all pull-offs or anything. You can pick every note if you want. You can just do a hammer on there. It's kind of difficult to do a hammer on from nothing though. Like you really have to smack it down unless you already have a note going on that string, in which case it's easier, okay? But, it's all up to you. So just try this one for now, right? Okay? And just over and over and over again. Riffs are all about repetition, okay? So there's that one, and then there's the one we were actually doing today. So okay. Oh yeah, and listen to Rory Gallagher. Okay, Irish tour. It's the first song on it is called Cradle Rock. It's kind of got a riff similar enough to that in it. It's unreal. Check it out. All right, see you next week.